At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a social media marketing agency can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the social media landscape, including popular platforms, trends, and audience demographics. Identify your niche or target market. Determine which industries or types of businesses you want to serve. Conduct market research to assess competition, potential clients, and pricing strategies. Develop a business plan outlining your mission, services, target market, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections. 2. Legal considerations. Choose a business structure, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, and register your business accordingly. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required in your jurisdiction. Consider consulting with a lawyer to draft client contracts, terms of service, and other legal documents. 3. Build your brand. Develop a strong brand identity, including a memorable business name, logo, and brand messaging. Create a professional website showcasing your services, portfolio, client testimonials, and contact information. Establish a presence on social media platforms to demonstrate your expertise and engage with potential clients. 4. Offer comprehensive services. Determine the range of services you'll offer, such as social media management, content creation, advertising campaigns, influencer marketing, analytics, and strategy consulting. Tailor your services to meet the specific needs of your target market and differentiate yourself from competitors. 5. Build your team, if necessary. Assess your workload and consider hiring employees or freelancers with skills in social media management, content creation, graphic design, copywriting, and analytics. Ensure your team members are experienced, reliable, and aligned with your agency's values and goals.
6. Acquérir clients.
Develop a marketing strategy to attract clients, such as networking, cold outreach, content marketing, and partnerships. Leverage your personal and professional networks to generate referrals and leads. Offer introductory promotions or discounts to attract new clients and build relationships. Showcase your expertise by publishing case studies, blog posts, and social media content demonstrating successful campaigns and results. 7. Provide exceptional service. Focus on delivering high-quality work and exceptional customer service to retain clients and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. Regularly communicate with clients to understand their goals, address concerns, and provide progress updates. Stay updated on industry trends and best practices to continuously improve your services and deliver maximum value to clients. 8. Track performance and ROI. Utilize analytics tools to track the performance of social media campaigns and measure their impact on client objectives, such as brand awareness, engagement, and sales. Regularly review and analyze data to identify areas for optimization and make data-driven decisions to improve campaign effectiveness. 9. Scale your business. As your agency grows, consider expanding your service offerings, hiring additional staff, and targeting new markets or industries. Continuously invest in professional development and technology to stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changes in the social media landscape. Starting a social media marketing agency requires dedication, hard work, and ongoing learning, but with the right strategy and execution, it can be a rewarding and profitable business venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.